Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's the Memorial Day weekend, folks. Let's make it a great one. Be impeccable with your word. Manifest your true intentions. Regardless of what language you speak, your intent will be manifest through the word. What you dream, what you feel, and what you really are be manifested through what you say each and every day. This is a beautiful card, man. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 116, NASDAQ up 54, S&P's up 11. Bottom line, folks, you get the S&P right next to its high. My take is that we come back to work on Tuesday. It's going to go after the high. We'll see whether it blows it away, or, in fact, you're just going to have a test on Tuesday and Wednesday. NASDAQ, different deal. NASDAQ, I think you get a little bit higher, then you're going to give it back. We'll see where the rest of this shakes out. Gold contract rejected lower price once again. You're up $6.30, trading out at $19.0480 an ounce. Silver's up 4 cents, $27.98 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 44 cents, $66.41 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year note up 4 ticks, 132.26. The 30-year up 10 at 158.03. Bottom line, they both rejected lower price yesterday. They still want higher price, lower yield. It's pretty wild, too. There's no doubt, man. I mean, the whole world's saying, hey, rates have to go up. Well, guess what? They don't have to go up. The Fed is still buying over $100 billion worth of bonds, $180 billion worth of bonds a month. And bottom line, until they stop it, guess what? They can keep short-term rates low. We're at 1.59 on the 10-year. King dollar is the big number out here. King dollar had its shot once again to get to higher price. And if you want to see what's cool about King dollar right now, folks, so picture at TFNN, we have a lot of talk hosts that have a lot of experience. We try to educate each and every day. We love what we do. We're out here trading, educating at the same time. King dollar is something that you want to look at, because what happens is this, is that I can explain to people, what price and volume movement's all about, but this is something that you actually have to see. When you see in charts a few times, you start picking up an identification. My take on this is what the identification actually is. It's more than likely the same big institution that is basically selling into it. And there's probably more than one, because when we're talking about the dollar, you're talking about just trillions and trillions of dollars. And my point is that it's turning into a personality. The personality is that you go down, down, down. Then you have a big spike higher. And the first spike we had higher on the way down, we had it on April 30th. It lasts for 3 days, gives it up again. Next one we had was on the 12th of May. That lasted for 1 day. And then the next one, guess what, was on Wednesday. Bottom line, had a shot to really get some action going. What did it last? Last 1 day again. And then today it gave it up in spades, man. So when you look at King dollar, when you set this baby up, number one, it's going after the swing low from February of 2018, which is 88,942. That's interesting. 88. So that's 88,253. There it is. It's 88,253, yeah. So the way we're trading is telling me that we're going to break that level. You break that level, folks, and the bottom line, King dollar will be down to 80. King dollar's down to 80. What we're going to see if we bring the gold contract up, it's already on an ABC structure on the way up. That being said, though, you very well have a much larger ABC up that'll take you to about 2,500. So this is really a sweet setup, the way that we are. And what it is that because of the way do you see this? Now, I had this on. We put this a little bit closer, because when you see this run that we actually started in the end of 2018, you're going to see we only did a 0.382 retracement off that whole run. Well, a little higher than that. Yeah, a little higher. So we started the run at 1161. You go up to 2000. It's a monster ABC up, man. The real question is it going to break the B when it gets up there? So you get I think it's Yeah, it's a 900 A to B. So that gets you 2573, you know, with the short retracement. And you're talking about a monthly. So it looks to me, you know, if we break the 88,253, bottom line, I suspect we're going to have this ABC structure up, and you're going to be talking 2,500. So you're talking about a big number. Over the weekend, of course, the markets are closed except Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to have a tough weekend also. My take, Bitcoin wants to go to 23,000. You're down $2,000 right now. You're at 36,000. The last low is 30,000. They're going to take this thing south, man. Let's go see with GBTC. Let's see the premium. The premium is minus 12 to 15 yesterday. It's minus 16.99. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy it at 16.9% off by buying GBTC. But guess what? As we go lower, you're going to see that expands. What has happened in this marketplace is really wild, man. I mean, you know, when Bitcoin is higher, that thing is running at a 20 to 25% premium, so you're paying above it. When the market's lower, the bottom line is that you're paying lower. It's the amount of bread that's going to be lost by large institutions. Retail traders may lose some money. They may make some money. I suspect that, number one, they didn't buy in as big institutions did. The way that big institutions bought in to cover themselves, folks, was through the GBTC. That being said, they were still paying a premium for it, and now it's at a negative, okay? So the amount of bread that's going to be lost is astronomical, man. And we're going to see that come out. That's the real bottom line. You're going to basically, it'll take, the way that works is that I believe you have to hold it for 6 months or a year. I'll get that number for you. So they first of all have to mark it on their books, but when they have to turn it in, and well, they don't have to turn it in, number one, but at some point they're going to have to. And the bottom line is that the amount of bread that can be lost is a monster. It is an absolute monster. If we go take a look at the indices out here, we hit the SPY first. What you're going to see, I expect the SPY is going to close at its highs out here today. I don't see a sell-off coming in at the close at all, okay? You know, you're up $1.30. We're at 420.85, and that's going to set it up that we open up Tuesday and get up into the highs, get over the highs. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.